Be honest, you're posting videos but never checking the one thing that tells you why they're flopping. That's exactly why you're guessing instead of growing. Go ahead, follow, repost, share, like, and comment right now. Don't keep posting blind when TikTok is already giving you the answers, period. And that link in my bio. If you're a beginner, stop chasing the views for 1 second. Start studying your videos. TikTok analytics tells you exactly what you're working with. Watch time, retention, graphic source, and your growth. That's 4 major breakdowns. What can help you make your videos better? A lot of beginners don't fail because they have bad content or videos. They fail because they're not learning from what TikTok is already putting out there for them to learn from. Start letting the data guide your next video. Follow, repost, share, like, and comment. Then hit that link in my bio if you're ready to stop guessing and actually start growing, period. The algorithm leaves the clues some creators learn how to use and grow from.